and lame, just like you, new kid. Rare, like how often Kenny showers. Rare, keep going, new kid. Rare cards can be really helpful. Huh, a rare, kinda sweet. Epic, like a superhero saving the day. A rare card, that's okay, I guess. Rare is good. An epic card, kick ass! I like rares, don't you? Rare card, cute. Epics are pretty sweet, am I right? Yes, epic. So epic. Nice, a rare. You sure got a lot of rares. I thought it was an epic, but it's only a rare. Sorry. More rare than a common, right? Epic cards make everything better. Just a rare. Better luck next time. Rare, rare, rare. You are not worthy of that legendary card, new kid.